Hey everybody, welcome to Four Seasons RV in Andover. Check out this amazing unit. It's the Bighorn 31RL. It's built by the Jayco family of companies. As we look at it, you've got a huge furnace, tankless hot water heater, beautiful little compartment here, a Nautilus system, great storage inside. One of my favorite features on this, you have two propane tanks on this side of the coach, and you've got one on the other side. So you have three propane tanks. Just amazing when you stop and think about all the thought that went into this. You have the Kurt Helix system, as well as the Kurt Helix drivetrain, the analog brakes with the tow assist. Got a central vacuum, JBL system out here. We've come in and we've done a complete PDI on this. Here's where your additional propane tank is on this side. So you've got three propane tanks. Back here in the back, you've got a place to be able to plug in a TV and a power outlet to be able to help you work through that. 3-year structural limited warranty. Again, we're on the Bighorn 31RL. And folks, take a look at this. Absolutely beautiful. And if you'll get up here and look real closely, guess what you don't see in the trim? There's no nail holes, there's no brads. All of this was stapled and nailed from the back side. So this is a traditional rear living. Huge slide, tall slide. I'm 6'6". I can stand up underneath it. You got two tables or two chairs here at the table. You got your love seat directly across from the television, as well as your sofa. Very pretty ottoman. Lots of large storage here in the back of this coach. Lots of compartments. Residential freestanding gas range. 4 burners, 4 large burners. Large oven, huge microwave. Beautiful kitchen sink with all the gadgets on it. Great big GE refrigerator. One of the things that I really like about this, you'll notice it takes a little bit extra tug, but there's actually an additional magnet here in the pantry to keep it closed while you're traveling. Lots of storage all the way around this coach. We've ordered this coach with 3 ACs. It's a beautiful coach. Got your travel link system set up so that you can control everything. Walk into our bathroom, and again, we're hit with the luxury of this unit. Towel, place to hang your towels. Beautiful shower. Great medicine cabinet. Very pretty sink. Again, tankless hot water heater. And as we walk back here into the back, you just got a huge king bed. Lots of storage up front. Additional room here. Additional chairs for the kitchen. You got a couple of extra hanging racks, or you can put a stackable washer and dryer in this unit. Got a nice TV here. Hidden storage, which kind of isn't really hidden anymore. Seems like just about everybody's going to this. Little switch for your security camera so you can see what's going on. Click on the link here and come check out the amazing price point on this camper. It's probably $20,000 to $30,000 less than what you are thinking it's going to be. We'd love to invite you out to come see us here at our Andover location. We're just east of Wichita. Four Seasons RV, where the fun begins.
KansasRV.com.
Abilene and Wichita.